So in this video, I'm going to be digging up a 100 amp service wire that I ran in 2009 when we bought the house. I ran it to our carriage house, garage, barn thing, but I only put it in 12 inches deep. There were lots of people whispering things in my ear. I would ask questions, and I guess that was the answer that I wanted to hear. But ever since then, I've kind of been regretting putting it down 12 inches deep. It was super hard for us to dig. I mean, at the time, I think I only owned a shovel. Might have borrowed a pick. My cousin Keith helped me dig it. But once we hit the shell, there was just nothing we could do. So I'm going to pull the wire out and run conduit. I'm going to put it a little bit deeper. I'm going to have it in conduit. I'm definitely not going to run it down 4 feet because I don't have a trencher and it's already rated underground. Plus being in conduit, I'm not going to be too worried about it. My biggest fear is that someone else would buy this house and try and dig in the yard and freaking electrocute themselves. So this is something that's been on my mind probably since a year after I put it in. And I've been putting it off and putting it off. And at this point now, the house is fixed up enough that I can go back and do this. And plus, we want to put a sidewalk on top of where the wire is going to be. And that would be a giant pain in the ass to do it later. I bought all the conduit a few months ago thinking I would get right to it, but of course you get busy. So what you're looking at here, I have a lot of these camo pants from one of my cousins who's in the military. He collected them when they switched from this camo to the digital stuff, whenever that was, 04, 05, 06, I doubt. I don't think it was that late. 03. But he gave me all the ones that he had that didn't fit him. But my supplies are limited, and I like to keep my pants as pants. But because I'm getting old and fat, I keep popping these top buttons off. And I got it down now to where I only need this button. You can see that. I only need this one in the middle to keep my junk from hanging out. So, apparently I've either busted that one off or stole it for here already. But most of the time when they go flying, I can't find them, or I set them aside and then lose them. I don't really have a clue how to do this. I just run a bunch of lines through it in double. I tried it with some really heavy duty thread that I had, and it didn't seem to make much of a difference.